Welcome back. Congress has demanded grants to all the institutes offering BBA and BCA courses in the state. Party in opposition has alleged that government selectively gave grants to an institute in Darbandoda, which is run by a BJP MLA. Spokesperson of Congress Durgadas Kamath also slammed Home Minister Manohar Parrikar for deteriorating law and order situation in the state. There are around 8 institutes in Goa which offer BBA and BCA courses. However, the courses cost huge in fees as they are non-aided. Congress has demanded that the government should give grants to all such colleges the way it has allotted grants to BJP MLA's institute in Darbandoda.
की बीजेपीच्या एका आमदारान दारबांदोडा तालुक्यान एक कॉलेज सुरू केले आणि गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटान ह्या कॉलेजीक ग्रांट्स दिले त्या कोर्सेसा खातीर आणि ह्या ग्रांट्सा लागून फी जी आसा थंय 9,000 आसा बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रांट्स. काँग्रेस पार्टी मागता आमी भुरग्यां मदीं भेदभाव करपाक जायना. जेन्ना जर ग्रांट्स जर दिला एका कॉलेजीक इट शुड बी एप्लिकेबल टू ऑल द कॉलेजेस.
Congress has slammed Home Minister for law and order situation.
So law and order is totally collapsed in the state. आणि म्हाका दिसता लोअर लेवल ऑफिसर जे आसात फॉर काप देराम पीआय तो नाशिल्लोच खंय. सो म्हाका दिसता की डीजीपी आनी जे हाय लेवल जे ऑफिसर आसात IPS लेवल हांगा तांच्या सबंद कांयच कंट्रोल ना. देर इज नो कंट्रोल.
आमी आज दिसा दवड्या पळयता की चोर हे पुलिसाच्या भेशान हांगार चोरये करतात, बायलांचे मंगळसूत्र चोरतात, भांगार चोरतात. तेचेर पुलिसाचो लक्ष ना. काय आसा लक्ष आनी ते दोळे झाक करता हे आमकां खबर ना आनी पुलिसूय भितून इन्वॉल्व आहा ते खबर ना.
Durgadas Kamath has demanded a reply from the government on complaint against Sri Ram Sene's Pramod Mutalik.
I think FIRs are filed only for the people who are against this government. Deo's case, FIR was filed immediately. Why not Supreme Court guidelines are followed in this Mutalik case? Means the people who are talking against this government or are against this government will be attacked and FIRs will be filed against them. आणि मुख्यमंत्र्याक जर टाइम ना लक्ष घालपाक स्वताच्या होम डिपार्टमेंटान ताणे एक फुल टाइम होम मिनिस्टर डेप्यूट करचो.
Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. Sumitra Mahajan has been unanimously elected as the Speaker of the 16th Lok Sabha. 71-year-old Mahajan is the eldest and senior most among women member of the Parliament. She has won the Indore seat as MP of Lok Sabha for record 8th consecutive time. Former Union Minister Mahajan is the second woman after Meera Kumar to be elected as Lok Sabha Speaker. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says it's a proud moment that the House is chaired by a lady.
हम सब के लिए ये गौरव का विषय है कि विश्व के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के इस लोकतंत्र के मंदिर का उसकी व्यासपीठ पर एक महिला विराजित होकर के इसका पूरा संचालन करके राष्ट्र के सामान्य मानवीय की समस्याओं के समाधान के लिए आपका मार्गदर्शन बहुत मूल्यवान रहेगा. माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदया, इस सदन के लिए इस बात का भी गर्व है कि आप इंदौर म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन के एक सामान्य सदस्य से लेकर के कई दशकों तक सार्वजनिक जीवन में जनप्रतिनिधि के रूप में कार्य करते करते इस सदन में पहुंचे और 8 बार इस सदन में सदस्य बनकर के आपका अनुभव इस सदन के सुचारू संचालन में बहुत ही उपकारक होने वाला है.
Only 18 schools across the state have applied for government's infrastructure loan cum grant scheme. Chief Minister and Education Minister Manohar Parrikar is concerned over poor response. He said that the scheme would close after the end of the ongoing financial year. Under this scheme, schools can avail grants up to 3 crore 50 lakh rupees. Of 18 schools, only 60 institutions were able to submit the requisite documents.
This scheme we close extend करचेना. ओनूच्या अकॅडमिक इयरा पुरती ती उरतली. त्यामुळे कोणाक जर तो आवश्यक आसा तर तांच्यांनी ह्या फायनान्शियल इयर म्हणजे 2015च्या मार्चा भितर एप्लिकेशन करूंक जाय कॉम्प्लायन्स करपाक थोडो टायम दिवं येता डॉक्युमेंट नासत जाल्यार. There are various reasons which can be there. Some people are lazy. Two, they may not have proper land. They are not growing. आणि रिझल्टाचे हे आसा का. So if it is a declining school, this scheme may not be eligible. So maybe one of these reasons. Maybe some of them have not completed the formalities. But we have the scheme up to March end.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar spoke to media after presenting the first installment of the total sum under the infrastructure loan cum grant scheme to the chairman of Mustifan School Panaji, Anil Kaunto, at a function held at GSIDC in Panaji on Thursday.
Thank you. Thank you.
दुसऱ्या एक हांगा कुडक्या बांदता.
Out of the 18 applicant institutions, only 6 institutions were able to submit the requisite documents. Under the scheme, primary schools are eligible for a loan of rupees 50 lakh, secondary schools rupees 1 crore and higher secondary schools rupees 2 crore. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.